Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about some of the commonly used quilling tools which are essential for beginners. These are easily available in the market and are not very expensive. These are quilling papers which are easily available in any stationery or craft shop. You will get different sizes in these. This is a basic quilling needle which has a slit on the tip to insert the quilling paper. You need a basic craft glue. I'm using Fevicol craft glue which is commonly used for school projects. You will need a scissor to trim the paper. This is a shaping board which will help us in creating various shapes. I will show you the demo in my next videos for some of these quilling tools. This is a shaping dome which is helpful if you are creating jhumkas. These are border buddies. These will help us in creating borders such as square, round and triangle shapes. This is a crimper. You can create patterns on the paper using this tool. This is a quilling comb which is useful in making leaf patterns. Instead of this, you can make use of any common combs for this purpose. This is a curling coach. If you want to create large coils, this tool will be very much useful. Now I will show you how to do a basic coil which is essential for creating many other shapes. You only need 3 items for this: glue, quilling paper and the needle. Now take one of the quilling paper. The quilling paper has 2 sides. One is smooth and one is rough. Make sure that the rough side comes inside as you start coiling. The needle has a slit in the top for inserting the paper, and once you insert the paper, keep rolling until you reach the end of the paper and then glue the end with the help of the craft glue. Here is a coil that I made. You can create similar coils and make your own creations. If you arrange them creatively, you will get beautiful creations like these earrings here that I made using only tight coils. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and keep watching. Please give a thumbs up if you like my videos and come back for more.